Okay, next pattern is going to be a wrap to unwrap with a little precedent at the end. Yes? Wrap to unwrap. So this time we're actually going from a two-hand open position. Now again, to get here from this nice feeling, you can go a quick, slow. Notice I go to the inside rail, yes? So we're going to go right into it, skipping the quick. We're going to go prep, right, left. And right, left, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. And remember that right, left is the slow if you're going with the timing and rhythm. All right? Ready? And quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. So again, going into close or another position, you can do that. Now, going into from the back wall toward the camera, wraps and unwraps can be very tight, depending on the situation on the dance floor, on where you're at, okay? So, as we do this, okay, we're going quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and finish up quick, slow. Now, remember, we're just silently doing quick, so you can go quick in place and then start walking off. All depends on your space, cool? So, what I want you to understand about this is that when I go to move, it's really about trying to position. I'll let her pass me a little bit and then get side by side. Here we go, let's go away from the camera for a second. And quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and quick, slow, and slow. Yes? Cool. All right, so let's go around the floor just a tad bit. All right? Can I give you a link on this? And quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Let's do this again from here. Ready? And quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. So you can make this work. I love this pattern. It's one of my favorite patterns to do almost in any dance, okay? So make sure you get this one down, gentlemen. Ladies, look at the spinning. Watch the video for that. And if you need more detail, private style lessons, okay? Those are on video, so go back to those if you need more detail. Have fun with this, enjoy it, and come on back for the next pattern.